programming from our computers to program robots to move and beep and make sounds and stuff. It's taken a couple lessons. We first had to learn how to actually use the programming software, and then we built the robots, and now we're programming them. I'm really happy. My group didn't make a square, but a lot of groups have made the robots make a square on the ground and make songs and stuff like that. I've learned that programming has to be very specific, and you can't change anything. It has to all be the same. You have to figure out what you did wrong, and even if you're making the robot, if you did something wrong, you have to fix it. It's really fun. Yeah.